This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework, Physics, homework number 19, question number 3. If you double the distance between two charged objects, by what factor or how many times is the electric force affected? By what factor? Well, I start with a force between two electrically charged objects, and it is going to be K Q1 Q2 over R squared. That's my initial force. Well, what I'm doing is I'm doubling the distance, so R is going to be doubled. So let me talk about my new force. I'll call that force new. Well, that's going to be still K. The first charge stays the same. The second charge stays the same. But now my distance is going to be twice R, and my distance is squared. So if I take 2R squared, that would be the same thing as K Q1 Q2 over, let's see, 2R squared. That's 2 squared R squared, so that is going to be 4R squared. Well, what I can do is I can pull this 4 over to the side, and I will say that my new force is going to be 1 over 4 times my original K Q1 Q2 over R squared. But this was my original force up here, K Q1 Q2 over R squared. So my new force is going to be 1/4 of my original force, which was Fe up here. So when they say by what factor, well, it's 1/4, but I can't enter that into Utexas, so I've got to take 1/4 and turn it into 0.25. That is going to be my factor by which it's changed.